In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a list view in Airtable Base. If you're looking to streamline your data management or simply want to organize your information more effectively, understanding how to add and utilize a list view can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening a base in Airtable. If you're new to Airtable, a base is essentially your workspace for a particular project or data set, similar to a spreadsheet you might be familiar with. Loading up your base is the foundation on which we'll build your new list view. Make sure you have your data ready, as this will help you visualize what this feature can do for you. Next, look for the option to create something new within your base. This is usually a straightforward button labeled Create New or something similar. Clicking this button signifies that you're ready to construct a new view for your data, one that will be tailored to meet the specific needs of how you want to see and manage your information. Once you've done that, you'll need to select the type of view you want to create. In our case, we'll be selecting List. The list view in Airtable is particularly handy because it lays out your data in a clear, linear format, giving you an organized view of all your entries. This is especially useful when you're handling a large amount of data and want to ensure nothing gets overlooked. With your choice made, go ahead and click to create your new view. This step finalizes your setup, essentially telling Airtable to generate the layout and settings you've specified. It's a simple click, but it's the step where all of your modifications and selections come to life. And there you have it. You've successfully added a list view to your Airtable base. The list view is now part of your arsenal for better managing and analyzing your data. Remember, you can customize or edit this view at any time to better suit your needs, so feel free to explore its features and settings further. This flexibility is what makes tools like Airtable so powerful and versatile. If you're planning to share your Airtable base with others or work collaboratively, your new list view can also help ensure everyone is on the same page, literally. It's a great way to present data in a user-friendly format that others can easily navigate and understand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you to harness the full potential of Airtable to keep your projects organized and on track. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and insights on getting the most out of your digital tools.